screen, get ready to see NattyTechInsights bringing you the key. Apps and websites taking you high. Following the tips, you'll reach the sky.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Natty Tech Insight. Do you ever feel like you're drowning in tasks, switching between apps, and still not getting enough done? Imagine having the right tools to help you organize, automate, and focus, all without the chaos. In this video, I'm sharing 9 must-have productivity tools that are perfect for 2025. Tools that can completely transform the way you work, whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or professional. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Notion. What it is? Notion is an all-in-one productivity platform that combines note-taking, task management, databases, calendars, and even project tracking, all in one clean workspace. Why it's powerful? You can build your own personal dashboard or workspace to manage everything: your goals, daily plans, content calendar, budget tracker, reading list, or even team documents. Example, you could have a page for YouTube scripts, another for video ideas, a calendar for upload schedules, and a checklist for video editing, and many more, all linked together. Number 2. Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps together. Why it's powerful? It helps automate repetitive tasks without any coding. For example, when someone fills out a Google form, Zapier can automatically send you an email, post a message in Slack, and add it to your Notion database automatically. Example, if you get video requests through a form, Zapier can log them straight into your content planning board. Number 3. Trello. What it is? Trello is a visual task manager that uses boards, lists, and cards, just like sticky notes on a whiteboard. Why it's powerful? It's easy to use and perfect for tracking progress. Each card can hold checklists, attachments, due dates, comments, and more. Example, you can have a video ideas list, a filming list, an editing list, and a published list, and simply move cards as you progress. Number 4. ClickUp. What it is? ClickUp is a robust project management software designed to be a one-stop shop for productivity. Why it's powerful? It offers task management, documents, time tracking, goal setting, and even team chat, all in one app. Think of it as a turbocharged version of Trello plus Notion. Perfect for YouTubers or businesses that manage teams, plan content, delegate tasks, set reminders, and measure productivity. Number 5. Clockify. What it is? Clockify is a free time tracking app. Why it's powerful? It helps you understand how you spend your time so you can optimize your work hours and stay focused. You can track time manually or use a timer and categorize time into projects. Example, you can track how long it takes to write scripts, record videos, or edit, helping you become more efficient over time. Number 6. Google Keep. What it is? Google Keep is a fast, simple note-taking app from Google. Why it's powerful? It syncs with your Google account and is accessible from your phone, browser, or Gmail. You can jot down quick thoughts, create checklists, record voice notes, or snap photos. Ideal for capturing ideas on the go, like a video title idea that pops into your head while commuting. Number 7. Microsoft To Do. What it is? Microsoft To Do is a cloud-based task manager designed for everyday task tracking. Why it's powerful? It helps you organize your day with lists, deadlines, recurring tasks, and reminders. It syncs with Outlook and is very lightweight and fast. Example, you can create daily to-do lists like film video, edit thumbnail, or reply to comments, and check them off as you go. Number 8. TickTick. What it is a smart task manager that blends to-do lists with a habit tracker and calendar. Why it's powerful? It has cool features like Pomodoro timer, task priorities, recurring tasks, and daily habits tracking, all in one place. Example, You can set a goal to write every morning. Use the Pomodoro timer to stay focused and track your consistency over weeks. Number 9. Sunsama. What it is? Sunsama is a daily planner that helps you organize your workday with intention. Why 9? It's powerful. It lets you pull in tasks from other tools like Trello, Notion, Gmail, Asana. Drag them into your calendar and plan a reasonable day, avoiding overload. It's like having a digital assistant that helps you set realistic goals for each day and stay balanced. And there you have it, 9 powerful productivity tools that can seriously level up your workflow in 2025. Whether you're planning projects, managing tasks, tracking time, or just trying to stay focused, there's something on this list for everyone. The best part? Most of these tools are free or have awesome free versions to get you started. You can sign up for these productivity tools with your Google account or Microsoft account. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech tips. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay smart and stay creative.